Here's a kind of broad view of Florida International University's Palmetum, and the bulk of the Palmetum is in this little area right here. So we'll go over there and take a look, but I wanted to do sort of a wide shot. Also, in the courtyard of this building, there's some, at least there was 3 or 4 years ago, there was some like Syagra schizophila and queen palms and stuff, so it'd be interesting to see if there's any hybrid, I forget what the resulting, the common name for the resulting hybrid of that is. So I was here a few years ago making videos, and I wasn't real keen on the way they turned out, so we'll see. But oh my gosh, I'm going to use some old footage from that trip, because those 2 Raphia taytageras there, I believe that's what they are, have gotten huge in the 3 or 4 years that I've been here. All right, so what I'll do is I'll just do little segments, but this will just be a primer for the FIU Arboretum or Palmetum. And that Italia is one of those rare, I think from Hispaniola. So we'll take a look. I'll document everything. Like I said, if I can sneak in some old footage of the first trip that I made here, I'll do that. But let's just go ahead, since I'm rolling, and take a look at these things. I don't think anything's marked here, but I want to say these were Raphia taytagera, and geez, they've gotten huge. And like I said, hopefully I'll dig through my archives and see if I've got, they look like that about, what, 3 years ago when I was here. So I'm glad to be able to get back out here again and do some documenting. But they do have a few gems in here. There's some, you know, typical, what I would call like landscape trade specimens here, like these Bismarcks and things like that. So there's some Syagra schizophila there. That's interesting Coccothrinax there. Is that the azul? Coccothrinax macroglossa azul, maybe? I'm not sure. Anyway, a little batch of Hyophorbi, and that thing in the foreground looks almost like a pseudophoenix. But yeah, I'd say that's maybe a pseudophoenix. All right, so let me stop here. I'll get my, I just walked up on the campus. I'll get my bearings about me, and then I'll try to get you guys some decent content here. Once again at FIU, here is a Coccothrinax, a really stiff, rigid leaf, almost fully orbicular leaf, no tag, but there are some trees that are tagged here, you know, things that are probably fairly easy to recognize. Although, we'll go up here, this looks like it could be another Coccothrinax or one of its allies here. So this is Argentea. So I'll back up and we'll take a look at that guy. A lot of little thatch palms right in this little cluster here. There's a pair right next to this one that are tagged. So that's the Argentea. So we'll take a look at these real quick. It's really early in the morning. I should have probably gotten here at better light. Hopefully this is showing up. Oh, this is just another pair of Argentea. Yeah, okay, so here, this probably doesn't need an introduction. This is a Crenita. Good looking Crenita there. And the fiber on this first palm that we started with is really nice. Maybe that'll give somebody a clue when they can ID this thing. Really nice, dense fiber in there, but not quite that hair like you see on the Crenita stuff. Yeah, I'm not sure what this one is, but anyway, so I'll stop here and then pick up and we'll look at other things.